What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Mace of Resolve in Crimson Desert. Before you proceed with this one, make sure to have a mask ready just in case you need to steal it. You can loot one from the bandits you defeat in the world, or you can easily buy a mask from the back alley shop southeast of the town of Hernand. If you want a mace for a dark themed build, then you're gonna want this one. Though it's got no additional bonuses and abyss gears, it still does pack 23 points of attack damage. And its 3 vacant abyss gear slots are free for you to customize. You can get this one on the northeast side of Demonis. We zoom in and it's inside the Musket First Outpost to the top right of the Golden Plains label, and to the northwest of the Breeze-Blown Knoll. I'll just warn you ahead, the area might be filled with enemies if you haven't progressed far enough into the game yet. I just cleared the place out for the sake of making this video, so if it's your first time visiting, you might face some resistance. When you get there, enter from the eastern gate, and you'll immediately find this lone tent on the other side of the camp. Just go behind that tent and you'll find the mace just chilling on this side of the crate pile. Depending on the circumstance, you might need to equip your mask to steal it, or you can just take it right away. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.